All right, guys, it's official. They're throwing me into the lion's den. I'll film what I can, Dre, and if I survive, this is gonna blow up.
All right, welcome to my crib. That one's asleep. That one's just staring at me. Honestly, they're kind of chill, but I'm whispering because I really don't want to wake the angry one.
Morning, folks. Still here, and they are too. That one's been staring at me since sunset. Starting to think they like me.
All right, made it out. Thank God, literally. If you watch till the end, comment what you think, and hey, maybe I come back if y'all want part 2.
Day 2 in the tomb. No Wi-Fi, no snacks. Just kind of waiting for God to respawn me.
You know I'm a daddy's boy. He's got me in this Technicolor drip. Brother's so jelly right now. They're looking a little sus.
I'm supposed to say that God got me pregnant? Yeah, there's no way my parents are buying this story.
I would like to formally apologize to God, the sailors, and this whale. Sorry, dude, I just took a poop over there.
Morning vlog. Day 1 of ark building. Everyone thinks I'm crazy, but wait till the rain hits.
All right, it's done. And here come the animals. Woo. This boat's gonna smell fantastic.
Rain's starting, and I almost forgot the clothes on the line. 40 days in this tunic would have been rough.
So yeah, no internet, 500 animals, and I already regret sitting near the camels.
Man, it's so boring in here. I already read the whole Bible. There's only Genesis so far, so that was quick. Okay, rain's finally slowing down, and I think we just hit land at Bertef. The ark legit stopped moving. All right, landed safe, but my 5G's still dead. No service since the second giraffe walked in.
All right, not gonna lie, it rained a lot. Upload got delayed, but hey, drop a like, leave a comment, and we're back on dry land, baby.
Yo, it's Jonah. So God literally told me to go to Nineveh, and I said, nope, booked a ship to Tarshish instead. Let's see how that works out. All right, guys, got my ticket to Tarshish. Cheaper than therapy. Just gotta stay under God's radar for a bit.
Okay, not gonna lie, I think the radar picked me up. Wind's crazy, ship's shaking, and I'm starting to think God's not thrilled about this trip.
Okay, guys, quick update. I'm the reason for the storm.
They voted, I lost, and apparently the solution is...
All right, not dead. Just got swallowed by something. Smells like a wet camel in here.
Okay, yeah, I deserve this. I ran, I got swallowed, and now I'm literally sitting in fish guts. God, I know you're watching. I'm listening now.
I just got puked out by a fish the size of a house, and I'm covered in stuff I can't even describe. But hey, fresh air. So yeah, learn my lesson. Don't run from God. Like, comment, pray, and I'll see you in Nineveh.
Guys, hirap dito mag-work sa gawaan ng pyramid. Si Foreman dito, grabe, magpa-OT. Habang buhay ang OT, may palatigo pa. Sa mga nagtatanong ano cobra namin dito pag pagod na kami, eto guys, dito kapag pagod ka na, papakagat ka na lang sa cobra para umikli na yung lifetime contract mo, di ka mapagod.
Guys, mag-uukit kami ng edits dito sa pader ng pyramid. Di alam ni Foreman, lalagyan namin ng edits ng Pinoy tong pyramid.
Guys, ayan yung tintrabaho namin dito. Nabuo kami ng pyramid. Mahirap maging OFW pero kakayanin para sa pamilya. Grabe ka kasi magpa-OT por eh. Nanlalatigo ka pa. Kaya ka tuloy minamalas. O ayan, insekto overload. Guys, mag-uukit kami ng tarob dito sa pader ng pyramid para malito ang mga archaeologists sa future kung ano to. Di nila alam, tarob lang pala. Guys, na-scam kami. Sabi magkakapera kami. Pyramiding scam pala. Literal pala to. Papagawain kami ng pyramid. Guys, nakakamiss kumain ng mami sa Pilipinas. Dito sa gawaan ng pyramid, ganito ang mamihan namin.
Simulan na ang arawaan!
Komikis, sabi mo pakyawan to. Bakit arawan pala tayo dito? Guys, na-checkpoint kami. May dala kaming mabigat na gramo ng bato. Lubog pa naman mukha nito ni tropa. Bakit ako may latigo? Nagsiksik ka daw ng boulder sa bahag mo palabas ng site? Na-misplace lang pala yung nawawalang malaking boulder. Nalatigo ka pa. Dahil dyan, OT ka. Hype ka, Foreman. Sa mga nagsasabing mahina ako, ilan hinahalo niyong sako ng buhangin? Dito, hinahalo ko isang buong disyerto. Hoy, Bex! Baka naman pwede mo na bayaran ng utang mo. Sabi mo, katapusan ka magbabayad. Katapusan na ng mundo, ayaw mo pa rin magbayad. What's up guys? Nandito ako sa space ngayon. Ayoko na dyan sa Earth. Tara, dito tayo inom.
Hi guys! Nandito ako sa space ngayon. Ayoko na dyan sa Earth. Tara, samahan nyo ko.
Guys, tignan nyo ang traffic sa ED. SA, ang dami ko pa naman i-deliver. Buti high ako, tamang lumilipad na ng isip ko. Ayan guys, ginagawa na namin yung barko ni Noah. Ako yung foreman nila. Sana matapos namin bago yung deadline. Pray for us. Dito ako nag-work sa malaking barko na to, pero tingin ko ha, dahil sa kalandian ng dalawang yan sa likod ko, malulubog tong barko. Anyway, shoutout kay Comic Is, di ako kasali dyan ha. Guys, may nagbebembangan dito sa parkingan ng kotse dito sa barko. Ang lupit, may pag-apir pa sa salamin ng kotse guys. Guys, tumama yung barko natin sa iceberg. Nakatingin kasi sa naghahalikan yung bantay, kaya di niya nakita yung iceberg. Ayan, dahil sa kalandian na yung dalawa, tumama tuloy sa iceberg tong barko, nalubog na tuloy. Di talaga ako kasali dyan ha. Hype kayo, nagpabaril-baril pa ako sa luneta, magiging jejemon lang din pala kayo.
Shout out sa lahat ng mga marites dyan. Tigilan nyo na yung kamarites dyan kung ayaw nyong mapunta dito sa impyerno.